Global Classroom Egypt chapter had organized a trip for our students. In fact, it was more of a cultural exchange program with an international school following the IGCSE and the IB curriculum. So, with 23 students and 3 teachers, we went to Egypt to get an international exposure of not only the culture but also the curriculum that they follow. It was a completely different kind of an experience interacting with the students, and Global Classroom had organized a very good way to get to know the students there and bring back from there through our students whatever they have seen, including writing on the papyrus, which was an exhilarating experience for them. Additionally, our students carried with them the Indian culture as cultural ambassadors from India, and the students there thoroughly enjoyed the performances and the programs put up by the students of our school. Moreover, standing in front of the pyramid and the Sphinx was indeed a kind of a unique experience for all of them, and actually touching and feeling the pyramid, as a matter of fact, being there and seeing the exhaustive structure was indeed something extremely memorable. Not only that, they, in a very cohesive group, got to understand each other much better. The coast of Alexandria and Mediterranean Sea was a treat to the eyes, and overall, Global Classroom, by organizing certificates and prizes and in various categories for the students, made the trip indeed a kind of an experience of one of its kind by bringing everybody together on a common platform. We thank Global Classroom Egypt chapter for giving us such a wonderful experience in Egypt. Thank you.
Went to Egypt in December, and we reached Cairo after a long journey of 6 hours. We mainly went there for culture exchange program. The trip was organized by Global Classroom Egypt chapter. In Cairo, one day we went to NIAS, the school where we performed our cultural programs. We at first we visited their classrooms. The students were very friendly with us. The classrooms were also very wonderful. And then we also visited the primary section. It was full of colors. There were toys and everything. And we learned there writing on papyrus. It was a wonderful experience. We learned how to write our name in hieroglyphic language, and then we learned Arabic language also. And then we performed our traditional Indian cultures. We performed dance, and they appreciated it very much. And also we performed fashion show with our traditional Indian dresses. And then in at noon we had a traditional Egyptian lunch. It was very wonderful. It was mostly like Indian dish. And after that we when we returned to hotel, and in the evening we went to a market where we buy Egyptian cents, and then we did some marketing, and we went to see the pyramids and Sphinx, and standing in front of the pyramid was a wonderful experience. It was like our dream, and we took various photos over there, but it was extremely cool at that time. And then we went to a market where traditional Egyptian clothes were sold, and then we went to the famous museum where we saw Tutankhamun's tomb and various statues, their ornaments. We had a nice experience over there. And then we went to Alexandria. It was a beautiful port beside the Mediterranean Sea, and there we also had a lunch which was full of various fish from Mediterranean Sea. And there we saw Pompey's pillar, then Cleopatra's palace. But the most wonderful thing we had on the Nile cruise, it was a very nice experience. We saw the belly dance, and even some of our friends danced, and it was since it was Christmas Eve, and we had a very good night in the on the cruise. We all sang, danced, and we also even had a very delicious dish over there. And we even got various prizes, certificates, medals for our performances over there. We had a nice experience, and thanks to Global Classroom for giving us such an opportunity to visit Egypt. historical place like that. The Global Classroom Egypt chapter gave us the opportunity to visit Egypt as the cultural ambassadors of India. We were taken to Nermen Ismail American School in Cairo as the cultural representatives and for the cultural exchange program. The students of our school as well as their school displayed a cultural extravaganza by their dance, music, and art. We learned their local language, Arabic, as well as hieroglyphics. We were given their local food, the way they food, the traditional food over there. Global Classroom took care of us. They made us independent personalities. They instilled in us the value of time. They fulfilled all our desires to eat at KFC or to street shop. They took us to Al Khalili market where we shopped all by ourselves without any help of our parents. It made us, it was a wonderful experience over there. We became independent. We became responsible youths that we are right now. And our dream since our childhood to visit the pyramids, to see the Sphinx, it came true. It was a wonderful experience, and I would love to go for another chapter by the Global Classroom.